Welcome back in the kitchen one more time, Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite dishes, your favorite food. It is summer. Yes, it is summer. How are you gonna start off summer? You know what I mean? Summer is one of the best time of the year. A lot of people love summer. A lot of people say, oh my God, summer is one of my time where I wanna just get things rolling. Now what we want to start, we want to start summer, guys. We want to start summer this way. Very easy and simple going. Today's menu gonna be iceberg lettuce, and we're gonna make you a nice lovely salad from it, which gonna be curry leaf. Alright? A lot of people might say, where the Jamaican chef get this idea from, curry leaf? Listen, you have to learn. There's no way on earth you doesn't want to learn. There's something wrong with you. Recipe can never too much. A lot of people love curry leaf. I eat it before. I know how it tastes. I make it millions of times. Curry leaf. In many big places, hospital, all over the world places, I make curry leaf. Today I'm going to share the recipe with you guys, and hopefully you will like the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. Tell me your idea, your opinion, what you think about curry leaf. It is something where you may not like it, someone else like it. Someone else will hear your opinion. But today I want to share the recipe with you how to make curry leaf. As I said before, I make it billions of times. I can't even count it. Thousands of times I make curry leaf. Curry leaf, I love it. A lot of people love it. I eat it before and I like it, and I'm gonna share it on my YouTube channel to you guys that you can make it at home and give it a try, and then you tell me what you think about curry leaf. Yes, I'm a Jamaican chef, but we all learn things in different ways. Thank you so much. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So today we want to make your curry leaf salad for summer. This is the way we're gonna start it. Very nice and easy and simple. Okay, first of all you need mayonnaise. This is some mayonnaise, and you need a little bit of salad cream, a little bit of ghost pepper, and you need an iceberg lettuce. So first thing what we need, and we need some curry powder. This is what we're gonna do. Get 1 spoon. Take out a large spoon of mayonnaise. And also half teaspoon of salad cream. Half tablespoon of salad cream. 1 spoon of mayonnaise and half teaspoon of salad cream, pinch of pepper, don't feel any way because I'm a Jamaican chef and I do this kind of recipe. Remember, you all have to learn somewhere somehow. So all of those ingredients, then you need some curry powder. That's a teaspoon of curry powder. That's 2 teaspoons of curry powder. Lovely. Use a spoon and simple. Give it a mix like this. Well, you might have said, oh, this is a chef here, I use the curry and it's not gonna hurt my stomach. No. You all have to try something, guys. Lovely. That's it right there. Next thing, get the iceberg lettuce. I'm already washed mine. And I'm just gonna use half. of it. All right. Put the rest one side. Then simple. Nice. So if you notice how it stay in a good look, good shape, in dices, put it straight inside of it, just like that. Lovely, look at that. That is beautiful. Then next, use a hand, take your time and fold it in. And I'm using the mild curry powder. So look at that. That is it, nothing else. And this is a simple salad where you can bring to work, share with your co-worker and your friend. Second thing, lovely and nice. Look at that. That is beautiful and really nice. So guys, as I say, don't feel any way you're gonna say, why are Caribbean chef making this? You have to learn. And this is fantastic salad, guys, for summer. So if you want to be eating some salad for summer, this is where you can start it from. You can make yourself a nice lovely curry leaf. Really nice iceberg. Just fantastic, beautiful and really nice. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and leave your comments and make others can see what we can do. Alright, please, it's very important, leave your comments and tell me what you think about curry leaf salad. As I said before, I can't even count it to the amount of time when I make it, and I'm telling you, I make this for some of the most richest people on the planet, so I know exactly what I'm talking about. So thank you so much, and hopefully we will see you next time. Bye bye.